Hello everybody, this is Financial Prepper. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Stacey and this is April the 6th, 2025, 7 p.m. Central Time. And I wanted to give you guys real-time spot prices, premium prices, couple specials. We've all seen what's happened in the last couple of days with the tariffs. Jerome Powell's come out with the speech. I want to talk to that about briefly. But mainly I want to talk about the pricing, how to purchase from Miles Franklin. I'm a broker with Miles Franklin, a company out of Minnesota. You're welcome to look us up. And let's just get into it a little bit because some people I don't think realize actually how easy it is to purchase. We make it very simple, very secure, have insurance with our shipping, and we stand behind all of our products. So right now, spot, April the 6th, 2025, 7 p.m. Central Time, I'm at $28.75, and that's my silver. You guys, that has dropped. Let me just give you some numbers real quick. And this is where I say numbers don't lie. I was locking in a few days ago at $34.29. So we do that minus 28. Well, it just went to $28.75. So I'm at $5.54. That is how much silver has dropped in the last couple of days. So to me, this says buying opportunity. And yes, I did over the weekend. I made another purchase because when you have a dip like that, you guys often ask me, hey, tell me when a dip's coming up. Well, we got a dip right now. Now, it might not be $17 like it was a couple years ago, but we're at least at $28.75. My gold right now, it just actually went below $3,000. So my gold is $2,997. Whoops, so sorry, it just went to $2,998. See, it jumps on me all the time, you guys. It's like nonstop. But I was locking in at, the other day, $3,152.80. So let's do that, $2,998.80. That's a $154 drop in gold. My platinum right now is $918.60. So we've definitely had a dip. So if you're interested and you've thought maybe I should jump in, but the prices have been up, not sure what to do, give me a call. Text me 318-564-5823. I will give you my pricing, and then you guys go shop around. There's so many other companies out there. If you don't use me, you will not hurt my feelings. But you need to know what your spot and you need to know what your premiums are. So that's kind of what is happening right now with the spot and premium price. And if you're interested in purchasing, you can purchase in a couple of different ways. Obviously, set up an account with me, and then I will help you walk you through the process of purchasing. You can mail Miles Franklin a personal check or money order. You can do a wire transfer to Miles Franklin, or you can do ACH, which is the free version. The money does not come to me. It goes to Miles Franklin. I don't touch the money, which is really good. And then it goes straight to Miles Franklin. My shipping department's out of North Dakota. It does come with insurance, depending on how much you purchase, but it's a flat $15 rate fee, and it does come with insurance. We get it shipped to wherever you want, home, business, P.O. box, friend's house, mom's house, wherever you want it. Now, it depends on the state that you ship it to. There might be taxes, but we can talk about that whenever if you want to call me and just ask me questions or whatever. But it's very easy. We try to be very discreet. No reporting, anything like that. So real quick, let's move on. So Trump has just come out and said the tariffs will not go away with China unless the $1 trillion trade deficit is fixed. You guys, if you have anything that you need from China, I would recommend getting it. And matter of fact, speaking of that, the maples, I'm out of certain years of maples. And we have 2025s, but the question is will tariffs be on future maples? I cannot answer that. Possibly it could be. I do not know that. Jerome Powell also said Friday, the economic effects of presidential Donald Trump's massive tariff hikes could be larger than expected, and he could see, inflation. We all know that this is a probability. I mean, that's just what it's going to happen unless they manage to work out deals. How it'll affect gold and silver, I'm not really sure. Keeping an eye on that as far as what we get in from other countries. Now, as far as the Eagles, the Buffaloes, I'm out of Morgans right now, just heads up. The private mint that's also in the United States that creates the Morgans, I'm out of those. But the Buffaloes I have, the Eagles, of course, they're still United States, so there wouldn't be a tariff on that. And let's see what's next that I wanted to talk to you guys about. So that's pretty much it when it comes to purchasing from us. If you go to sell back, you guys, you need to keep in mind that premium, you don't get that back. That is an overhead cost, and I think a lot of people forget that. So for example, if you were to sell back to us, let's just take a buffalo. Spot right now is $28.71. However, I'm only going to give you $28.50, but there's going to be an 80 cents off of that for the overhead cost. So you're looking at $28.50 minus 80 cents. Oh, my calculator didn't pull up right. So $28.50 minus 80 cents. So you're going to get $27.70 for a buffalo back. So just keep that in mind whenever you go to purchase. And then if you have to go sell back or you want to go sell back, just so you know that you need to know what you bought it for, what you're selling it for, so that you're not actually losing money unless you want to take a loss. So one more interesting thing. Look what I got in. Well, maybe backwards the wording. But I got in The Government Gangsters by Kash Patel. I don't know if I'm a fan of his or not, but I've been hearing really interesting and good things about this book. So I ordered it, got it in today, and I think that's going to be my nightly read with my cup of hot tea. If you guys have read it, let me know what you guys thought about it. And I will, guys, see you in the next one with some more information on spot prices and premiums. Oh, real quick before we go, I did say I would do specials. Sorry about that. My specials. I do still have Britannia's, the backdateds for $2.99 over. Gold, that's silver Britannia's. Gold Britannia's for $59 over. And I do have some still, let's see, silver Valcambi kilo bars, which are 32.15 ounces for $2.20 over spot per ounce. So if you're interested or you want my premium price list with my specials, text me 318-564-5823. And as Chris would say, you guys have an awesome, awesome day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.